In this video, I'll show you how to set up an LG OLED TV. Step 1. Assemble the stand. Lay the TV face down on a soft, flat surface to avoid screen damage. Attach the stand securely using the provided screws and instructions. Step 2. Connect power and HDMI cables. Plug the power cable into the wall outlet and the TV. Connect HDMI cables for external devices such as streaming boxes, consoles, or PCs. Step 3. Power on and configure settings. Use the remote to power on the TV. Follow the on-screen setup guide to connect to Wi-Fi and configure your preferences. Sorry for the little stumble there. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you. Bye.